A formal decision on Roe v. Wade isn't expected until June or July, but that didn't stop dozens from rallying for abortion rights in front of the federal courthouse in Norfolk tonight. Meanwhile, others consider the Supreme Court draft decision good news. Angelique Arentalk brings us the mixed reaction here in Hampton Roads.
What do we support? Abortion!
Dozens of people in Norfolk rallied to make their voices heard.
Abortion laws have got to go!
Asked if Roe v. Wade should be overturned, Crisis Pregnancy Center of Tidewater in Virginia Beach tells us, quote, "We think it's a good thing, and we do hope that in Virginia it would mean more laws that protect all human life, including the preborn." The vice president of ministry operations went on to say, in terms of our work, if Roe v. Wade were overturned, it doesn't really change any of the laws in Virginia. Our state, we have very few restrictions on abortion. We anticipate we'll be operating the same way we have been. It's a sentiment CareNet Peninsula echoes across the water.
We provide the help and the hope that women need to choose life for their baby.
Executive Director Ryan Holloway says their faith-based nonprofit offers free services to women who face unplanned pregnancies.
There are moral implications about it for many, many, many people. Maybe not everyone, but for many of the women that we serve, they're wrestling with the moral implications of what to do and the physical implications.
Gayleen Canoyton, president of Celebrate Healthcare LLC, says she believes in a woman's right to choose. She worries about fallout on the federal level, potentially trickling down to Virginia.
There's many barriers in healthcare with maternal health and also reproductive.
Especially mounting in communities of color.
When abortions were illegal, it's horror stories on how abortions happened. Black and brown people women didn't have access to someone that knew how to conduct an abortion.
Passions on both sides likely will only build as we expect the Supreme Court's decision this summer. 413 News Now, I'm Angelique Arentalk.
ABC News and The Washington Post conducted a poll about abortion last week before the leak of this draft opinion. In that poll, 54% of Americans supported upholding Roe. 28% supported overturning it. The remaining 18% had no opinion.